Topic 2, limestone. Right, you can basically put these things into a cycle. So, topic 2. So start with 3 types of rock. Okay, so you've got sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Okay, so this is the rock cycle, as you might notice. Sedimentary, made from sediments, so like mudstone, sandstone. You find fossils because it's just compressed sand, mud, things like that. So it's very soft rock. You'll find fossils in it that were trapped there millions of years ago sometimes. Metamorphic is when millions of years of heat and pressure have changed a rock. So you might find some distorted fossils, okay? They've changed shape a little bit. Metamorphic may be made from igneous as well, okay? So millions of years of heat and pressure changes these rocks into something slightly different. So, like limestone, for example, is also the same chemical formula. That's calcium carbonate. Okay, the same chemical formula as marble. So limestone is sedimentary. Marble is made from that same formula, but it's given heat and pressure. Igneous rock comes in 2 types. So you may have intrusive, which cools slowly. So this comes from magma. Okay, so the magma is cooled slowly with large crystals, and extrusive, which the magma has come out, becomes lava, and it's cooled quickly, so it has small crystals. Okay, calcium carbonate, if you heat that up, coming down here, that's called a thermal decomposition, because it breaks down to calcium oxide. If you add water, then you get calcium hydroxide, okay, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atoms in calcium hydroxide, and then you can get back to calcium carbonate, because by adding CO2, so this is basically lime water, you add carbon dioxide gas, it turns milky, okay? That's the calcium carbonate, the solid bits reappearing, okay? So, that's limestone. Uses, well, we have to get it out of a quarry first of all, and that has good things and bad things, okay? Benefits and disadvantages. So, provides jobs, but it's noisy. You get lorries that have to transport it. It makes a mess of the countryside, but it does employ people, and it has lots of uses. So, uses could be like it's used in toothpaste, okay? Bread to provide calcium for healthy bones and teeth. Uses also loads of things in the construction. So, just test. Whoops, light's gone out. There we go. Construction industry, so loads of things like glass, concrete, and cement. Okay, so heating the limestone with silicon dioxide, sand, you can get glass from that. It's used to help in making steel as well by removing the slag from molten iron. It's also, if you heat it with clay, you'll get cement. Add gravel and sand, you'll get concrete. Okay, massive construction material. Lots of advantages of limestone. To wrap that up a little bit, I think there's what else have you got? You've got the thermal decomposition. So thermal decomposition, breakdown using heat. So if we put it here now, calcium carbonate. Mostly, you just need to know the word equations. So you write calcium carbonate, unless it says do a symbol equation. So calcium carbonate, okay, breaks down. We use heat to do this to calcium oxide and CO2. So that's a symbol equation. Yep, there we go. Now calcium carbonate can be used to neutralize things. So calcium carbonate can be used to neutralize, so it's a base. And the next topic, topic 3, we'll talk about acids and bases, how they react to neutralize to make salts and waters. But it's a base, so if it's a base, it can neutralize, used to neutralize acidic gases from power stations. So, like, for example, SO2, sulfur dioxide. So we can spray wet calcium carbonate into the acidic gas, it will neutralise it. That should get you through. Also good revision guide, and practice exam questions. Okay, practice exam questions.